Hi everyone, welcome to ILIFE YouTube channel. Today we will see complete demonstration on ILIFE V3x Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Let's see the package content. In this we'll get one charging dock, two pair of side brushes, one charging adapter, two HEPA filter, cleaning tool, one extra mopping cloth, a mopping cloth with base attached, 2-in-1 dust and water tank and a user manual. Let's see and learn about the maintenance of the robot. Here are charge pins and 3 clip sensors in the center left and right. Use a tissue or white cloth to wipe them if there is any dust. This is the nose wheel. If any hair gets stuck, remove it and clean it. This side brushes, hold it, pull it out. Sometimes hairs get tangled here, clean it and place it back. Remove the roller brush cover like this. It is washable, but make sure it should be completely dry before using it again. This is the bristle roller brush for carpet cleaning. Use the cleaning tool to remove the dust. Repeat this process once every week for better performance of the robot. This is the mopping cloth. Attached with the base from Velcro, it is washable. Moving on to the learning with dust tank cleaning. Open the lid and pour the tap water. Make sure not to use any disinfectant like Lysol or Dettol. Now open the dust tank. You can use the cleaning tool to clean it. This is a sponge filter. A primary filter which is washable, but make sure before using it should be completely dry. And a HEPA filter, it is not washable. To clean it, tap it on the floor twice and remove dust from it. Do this dust tank cleaning process once every week to enhance the robot's overall performance. Let's see how to charge the robot. Connect the adapter with the charging dock like this. Ensure that the charging dock is not surrounded with any object within its 1 to 2 feet distance. Charge the robot 8 to 9 hours for the first time for better battery performance of the robot. Connecting to the ILIFE robot with the ILIFE Home app. First download the app, register and log in with your credential. Go to V series, select V3x. Now switch on the robot, press and hold home and power button together like this for up to 5 seconds until you hear a beep sound. Click on the next button. Now turn on the Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connecting to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Go to the Wi-Fi setting. Select ADH Wi-Fi network. Name the robot and save. You can now see V3x is online. This is the interface. Here you can see the robot's cleaning area, cleaning time and battery. And this is recharge button, start button, and remote control button from which you can navigate the robot manually, max mode where you can increase the suction power, edge mode where the robot cleans the edges, spot mode which cleans one spot, and a schedule button to schedule the robot according to your requirement. Go to the menu button where you can check the cleaning history of the robot. Maintenance, if it shows below 15 to 20%, then replace the parts. Suction setting, select normal suction for daily cleaning. water usage, you can choose gentle, standard, strong. Cleaning mode, always use smart cleaning for better results. Turn on the carpet feature if required. Unit selection, select the unit of your choice for showing the cleaning area. Click on the Find Robot to search where Robo is. Firmware update, you can check for the updates here. Can check your Wi-Fi information. And last, reset to factory default to reset all the settings of your Robo. You can disconnect and reconnect it. To know how to connect ILIFE Robot to Google Home and Amazon Alexa, click on the I button or check the video link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, call us on the toll-free number given in the description.